first baby princess, Princess Regina. She will be crowned by Jem Raimundo with Mr. Olsen Cervantes, SK Chairman Jake M. Judah, Jomar Verano, with Honorable Jenaline Marcos Aranya, of course, to be assisted by the parents.